Kabayan. Di. Wala yung boss mo. Tumakas ka, no? Ako nga, nakapuno na kaagad. Nakuha ko na yung dito banda.
Dito pala, ang dami na.
Eh, dito nila, hindi. Tinatapon talaga yan, sinasadya. Mga pasaway. Hello guys, we are here, our new area for cleaning up the rubbish, guys. It's the same at the beach. So guys, they are just coming here and they are just throwing the rubbish, guys, as usual. So today is a hot weather and someone is fishing. So we are 4 people, guys, 3 Filipino and 1 Portuguese. So he's fishing, guys. See, look at the rubbish, guys. There's a lot and going up. See how they throw it. Some is so old already. This is the second time that we come here, guys. See, look at the rubbish. And behind is a construction site, guys. I don't know what they are doing this building. But see, look at the rubbish. All bottles, guys. Water of the bottles is mostly. And then styrofoam. See, guys, the sea. Today is very hot after the almost 1 week the raining, guys. So this is a styrofoam bottle and styrofoams and going there and going here. All these bottles mostly, guys. The water of bottles they are just throwing at the sea. Oh. So guys, I'm very so many I'm here at the beach. Look guys, it's good to swim because it's so hot. By the way guys, thank you all your supports to me, your time to watch my videos. As a volunteer, guys, I'm happy. All that, guys, is rubbish. We are still here, guys, in airport, guys. So that's how the beach. Listen the water, the noise of the water, guys. It's a little bit waves. See, and those fishing, guys, I'm away from them and someone is coming. This is the barge. So I'm coming back here and look all this trash. See guys, look the trash guys. All this, all that guys is trash. You can see the white there. It's a trash. And that is just surrounded us. The grass. And the weather is have sun but looks gloomy.